Hello students. Today we shall continue with our chapter, the chapter of the storybook, that is Bringing Up Curry. Today we shall continue with the second unit of Bringing Up Curry. In this unit you will know about more qualities about curry. How Curry became fond of ripe bananas and how he silently accepts the chiding of the writer. So Curry was trained to be good, and if he is not told, he becomes more naughty and more mischief. This is one of the quality of Curry, that he is trained to be good. The writer trains Curry to be a good animal, and if he is not trained, he becomes more naughty and more mischief. I will give you the meaning of all the words you needed to know, so don't worry about the meaning. And after this video, please go through the text and answer to all the questions. The writer has given one example of the mischief, the naughty behavior of Curry. One day what happens? Somebody gave some bananas to Curry to eat. Somebody gave some bananas to Curry to eat, and after that Curry developed a great love for ripe bananas. Curry developed a great love. He was very fond of ripe bananas. He became very fond of ripe bananas. So what happens? In the dining room there was a big window. In the dining room of the writer, there was a big window, and near the window, a large plate of fruit were kept. A large plate of food was kept near the window. So one day, all the bananas that was placed in the table disappeared, vanished, and the family members blamed the servant for the deed, and they told that the servants have eaten all the fruits, all the bananas that was kept on the dining room. And a few days later, the blame was put on the writer. A few days later, the same thing happened. The ripe bananas disappeared from the dining room, and at this time the blame was put on the writer. So the writer became very much angry. He became angry with his parents and the servants. Then another time the fruit disappeared, but this time the writer found that a banana was smashed up in Curry's pavilion. Smashed up means crashed up. That was scattering all over in the pavilion of Curry. So the writer became very much surprised how fruits came here and only twigs are eaten by the elephant, and how did the fruits came here. So he became very much surprised. One day when the writer was sitting in the dining room, a large black thing like a snake suddenly came through the window and disappeared with the bananas. One day what happens is, long black thing came that was much like a snake, came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. That took all the bananas. The writer became very much frightened with that. He was very much afraid that a snake has came into their house, and he thought it was a terrible snake because he had never seen snake eating fruits. So that must be a terrible snake and eating fruits. So in fear he ran towards Curry to find him as a company, to cheer him up. But when he saw Curry, he saw that all the bananas were lying all over in the pavilion, and Curry has used his own trunk to stretch out and reach the bananas. The writer was very much surprised to see that the elephant has taken all the bananas from the basket from the dining room, and he has eaten all the bananas. So the writer very joyously pulled the elephant to his parents and showed that it is not him and not the servants who had eaten the banana, but this is Curry who has eaten all the bananas. But after that the writer scolded Curry because of his naughty behavior, and he told him that next time he will whip him if he steals banana from the dining room. And for this act of the writer, the elephant was so much injured, that so much hurt, that hurt, that he never steal any fruit from the dining room, and he became very much happy when somebody offer him fruit. So this was some of the good qualities that we see in an animal. He never did any work for which he has been chided, for which he has been scolded by the writer. Here the writer has written something that an elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong. An elephant is always willing to be punished to get if he has done anything wrong. But if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. And if you punish an elephant without any reason, he will give you back. So this is the second unit. This second unit ends here. Here we learnt about one of the mischief behavior of an elephant. There are two words. I will give you here the picture. I will show you the picture. That is whip. The writer told that he will whip the elephant if he does that stealing again. I will show you the picture of whip. This is whip. So dear students, this video ends here. We shall continue with the third unit in the next video. Okay, continue.